In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to permanently disable live photos on your iPhone. So every picture you take stays a normal, still image. So if I open my iPhone's camera app and then snap a photo, you can see that it took a live photo automatically. But I'll click on the 6 dots icon located at the top right corner of the screen, and then a couple more camera settings will appear. You'll know that the live photo option is enabled when it has this yellow color, but tap on it once in order to turn it off. But this can turn back on automatically. And there is a very important step which you need to follow in order to permanently disable the live photo feature. Open the settings page, navigate over to the camera settings, and then preserve settings. Find the live photo option and make sure it's enabled in here. So once you disable the live photo in the camera app, this option will keep it permanently turned off from now on, and you'll only take still photos on your iPhone.